Most common causes of knocking sound from the engine of Volvo XC40 in Green Bay. Many owners will hear a knocking sound under the hood of the Volvo XC40 engine. When the Volvo engine has any issues, the smooth rumble sound replaced with tapping sound, pinging sound. Eventually, the sounds lead to knocking sound and indicate individual problems. In general, determining the main sources behind the knocking noise can be very difficult. Below points define the causes behind the knocking sound coming from the engine of Volvo XC40. Wiry air-fuel mixture. If you are experiencing wiry air-fuel mixture in the engine, then it has problems with the fuel pump, oxygen sensors, fuel injectors, mass airflow sensor. Due to the wiry air-fuel mixture, it unable to burn fast enough and cause a knocking sound. Damaged bearings. Rod bearings in your Volvo XC40 are facilitating the smooth movements of the piston. When it is damaged, the pistons will start to rattle against the crankshaft and cause a knocking sound. A lower level of octane. Using high-octane fuels can provide high-performance tuned engine in your Volvo XC40. If you are putting fuel of too low octane rating, then you will experience engine knocking sound. Broken belt tensioners pulleys. When the engine is running, it turns the belt which is connected to various pulleys throughout the engine bay. If the belts are stretched out, then its tensioner isn't working properly and cause rattling noise, slapping noise, clicking noise, failed knock sensor. In modern cars, the engine knocking isn't at all a frequent problem because the air-fuel ratio is controlled by the computer. When the knock sensor is failed in your Volvo, it will allow the engine to knock automatically. Due to numerous reasons, your Volvo XC40 will be causing knocking noises. People who are living in Green Bay can fix the knocking sound issues from their Volvo engine by consulting with a reputed mechanic. Visit us.